In this tutorial, we will show you how to renovate your stairs using laminate and vinyl flooring. Although tarpaulin is typically used on floors and is a vinyl material, we will apply it to the stairs. We have already pre-cut the laminate, so we will attach it with high-tack glue. As you can see, these stairs have a 45-degree angle, which means we'll need to remove the corners of the stair mats. We can do this by using a hot air gun to heat the corners, making them easier to remove. Next, we will cut the tarpaulin. Be sure to use a sharp knife for precise cutting. Ensure the measurements are accurate. Cutting a rectangular shape is straightforward, but when dealing with multiple angles, it becomes more challenging, and we'll need a specific tool for that, which I'll cover later in the video. Before applying it, we need to sand the entire staircase to ensure the surface is smooth and ready for the glue. Next, we need high-tack glue to ensure the vinyl flooring adheres properly to the stairs. Here are a few tools for spreading glue evenly. Apply the glue smoothly and evenly over the wood. Use a glue spreader to evenly distribute the high-tack glue across the stairs before applying the tarpaulin. Once the vinyl is in place, press it down firmly and secure it to the front edge of the stairs, using nails. Cover this area with the stair mat, which has double-sided tape on the back. Secure the mat further by adding nails. One of the great things about stair renovation is how it can completely transform the look of your home. With just a few updates, like adding new flooring, your stairs can go from worn out to fresh and modern, giving your space a whole new feel. For steps that are not rectangular, we will use an angle gauge, which can be adjusted to almost any shape. This is especially helpful for cutting the tarpaulin accurately. Vinyl flooring is a highly durable, affordable, and versatile flooring material made primarily from polyvinyl chloride, PVC. It is available in various styles, including sheets, planks, and tiles, often mimicking the appearance of wood, stone, or ceramic. Vinyl flooring is water-resistant, easy to clean, and requires minimal maintenance, making it a popular choice for high-traffic areas, kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. Since our steps aren't rectangular, I'll use this tool to help us draw an accurate line on the vinyl, making it easier to cut. Now that we've cut the vinyl, we can apply it as we did before. If any adjustments are needed, you can use scissors to make the corrections. For the final stairs, we'll use an angled ruler and some paper to create a template. This template can then be placed on the vinyl to guide the cutting. Cutting vinyl flooring requires precision and attention to detail. It's important to measure accurately and use the right tools to ensure clean, precise cuts. Even small mistakes can affect the fit and appearance of the vinyl. Now the vinyl fits precisely as we wanted. Just don't forget to trim the edges. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.